First, state your name, age, where you're from, and how long you've been trading.
Ryan Gura from Las Vegas, Nevada. 24, and I've been trading Forex for about a year and stocks for about 3 years.
How long have you been trading with ASFX?
I actually started with trading Forex with ASFX about a year ago. Moved around a little bit and then back again for the last 5 to 6 months.
So far with your experience, how has Austin and the ASFX system changed your career?
It's totally changed my career and my outlook on the currency markets. Thankfully, it actually led me to create a skill that led me to be able to quit my job and trade and have my free days.
What do you think of the all-day seminar?
Fantastic. So much value in it that can't be found anywhere else, unlike other courses where the majority of it you can find on YouTube.
Would you recommend this seminar to new or struggling traders?
Absolutely, and I already have.
Think back to the first time you heard the word Forex. If you could give yourself any advice, what would it be?
To do your due diligence and do the research on what it is, because most people don't know what it is. They think it's like stocks, but there's so much more to it, and it's such a large opportunity compared to any other form of investment in existence.
So now think back to when you first heard of ASFX. What advice would you give yourself then?
Definitely give it a chance. It scares off a lot of people because they're not sold a dream and they're not sold a lifestyle, but they're being taught a skill that'll ultimately, if they work hard enough and over the long term, can lead them to the lifestyle and freedom, financial freedom that they want.
For the last couple questions, I'm going to read the beginning of it, and I want you to finish the sentence. Everyone should consider trading Forex because
there's such a great return on investment. There's a lot of liquidity in the market and volatility, as well as so many different ways to find good entries to where you can actually find a good trade anywhere in the market.
Trading Forex with the ASFX system is
the best thing ever.
Every new trader should
focus on the education rather than on actually trading, to make sure they can hone in on their skills without sacrificing anything else.
Awesome. You're done.
Cool.